Hi, I am Pragmatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 31st week of pregnancy in this video. In the 31st week, it is important to take foods that are rich in iron. Iron is a key component of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen from the lungs to the rest of the body. Iron is required for the proper formation and function of the placenta, the organ that delivers nutrients and oxygen to the fetus. Black Ulang Ukhali. Ingredients: urad dal with skin, ½ cup, parboiled rice 1 teaspoon, palm jaggery, 1 cup, sesame oil, 1/4 cup, cardamom powder, ½ cup. Black Ulang Ukhali. For the 31st week, let us see how to make this. In a pan, add urad dal and rice. Roast in a low flame until fragrant. Keep aside to cool. In another pan, dissolve palm jaggery in water, strain, and set aside. Grind roasted dal and rice into a fine powder. Now, mix the powder with jaggery water, ensuring no lumps. Cook the mix on low heat. Gradually add oil and stir well. When the oil is absorbed, remove from heat, add cardamom powder, and serve hot. Enjoy. Black Ulang Ukhali. Black urad dal is a good source of essential vitamins and minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and potassium, which are important for bone health, blood pressure regulation, and overall well-being. And then, hope you liked the 31st week pregnancy recipe video from Pragmatic. Pragmatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.